To address the Rheem Tankless water heater error code 79, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. Error code 79 typically indicates a problem with the motor fan. The common causes of this error code include obstructions in the motor fan, a faulty fan motor, or issues with the printed circuit board (PCB). To resolve this issue, start by inspecting the motor fan for any obstructions. This involves unplugging the heater from the power supply, removing the covering panel to access the fan motor, and checking for any foreign objects that may be obstructing it. Once any obstructions are removed, reassemble the parts and test the fan motor to ensure it's working properly. If the fan motor is damaged, it may need to be replaced with a new one. This process also involves unplugging the heater, removing the covering panel, inspecting the fan motor for damage such as cracks, burns, or corrosion, and then replacing the damaged fan motor. Another potential cause is a faulty PCB, which requires unplugging the heater from both the power and gas supply, removing the top panel to access the PCB, testing the unit for continuity, and inspecting it for any damage. If the PCB is damaged, replace the damaged elements with new ones and then reassemble and test the heater. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance.